Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix Snapchat messages not sending. So first I'll open up Snapchat here and then I can go over to my chats. And if you see in here, on one of these it says, messages not sending. There are a variety of things that you can do. First, the most likely reason is just you have poor internet connection. So if you swipe down from the top right, you can tap on airplane mode and then tap it off again and make sure that you have both Wi-Fi and cellular data turned on. So then, okay, you're able to access the Wi-Fi. Hopefully that gets it sent. If you're still having issues, one of the things I would recommend is clearing the cache on your Snapchat account. So if you swipe over and just tap on your little profile icon and then tap on settings on the top right, you can go to the bottom here and you can see clear cache 60.40 megabytes. So you can clear that cache, and here you can see all of this cache that's been on your iPhone. You can clear that, and basically that kind of resets the Snapchat app. And you can go back in here and see if it sent it. So that's a really good way to make sure that the messages get sent. Really, in most cases, it's either your internet or the cache. In some instances, if you send a message to somebody that you're not friends with, let's just say, this random person I want to chat with. If you want to chat with that random person, sometimes they'll say pending until that person has kind of approved your account. So, in instances like that, it'll say pending. You won't be able to actually send that chat until that person has kind of approved your message or your request. In the worst case scenario, what you can do is you can turn off your phone and then also potentially delete and reinstall the Snapchat app. But really, those are kind of the last case scenarios. If you follow along with all these steps, that should fix the problem. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to like this video. Thanks.